So how are you guys? How many guys you using like Supermicro hardware? You guys. So what kind of hardware you guys are using for?
It's for energy physics. Computation, I took computing in a cluster.
Okay. Okay, this is just a little overview about the Supermicro. So the Supermicro is, they make high efficiency and high performance servers. So and most flexible server manufacturer, like we have a block-based solutions, and we have almost 100 model servers. We have you name it and we make it. So it's all based on the customer, what they're looking for. This is kind of history of Supermicro. It started with the small component manufacturing. Then we started into the server side. We got into getting into the solutions. We are integrating with all different vendors. Providing a complete solutions. So right now we have different, mainly headquartered in San Jose. The other one we have a couple of places in Netherlands and Taiwan. And we have the server side and the storage side and networking side solutions. So everything you need for the data center. So why you need a Supermicro side, comparing with the other vendors? The best thing is with the Supermicro, we provide a hardware what exactly customer is looking for. We don't oversell, and we don't try to push them too much. That's the main thing. The next time to market is very quick with the Intel, the process. We have best solutions with the Intel architecture. So we are working with the SUSE as a partner, and we are providing a solutions for all SUSE products. If you look at that, the OpenStack and the Kubernetes and Ceph. So all the solutions we are providing with the SUSE and certified by yes certification. Every node we are working with the Supermicro, it's certified by the yes. That means every part of the Supermicro is certified. So we have a reference architecture for OpenStack. So you look at that the top tier switches, and there are two PXE and IPMI switches. We have admin node and OpenStack controllers, and we are using for the Ceph monitor nodes too. And we have compute nodes, and we have storage nodes. These are flexible, you can just grow when your requirement changes. So these easy to scale your compute as well as storage. And if you look at this, the storage nodes can go from 2U to 6U. It can go for 36 bay, 48 bay, 72 bay, and depends on all your performance. What kind of performance you are looking at, SAS, SATA, or complete NVMe, the complete flash. So we have a complete flash which can give you 11 million IOPS. And this is a complete the SUSE, the enterprise storage system we have. The enterprise storage, again we have the base 4 OSD nodes. But at the same time, you can grow. If you need more systems, we can scale it. We can scale out, and if you look at in the same way the OSD nodes, that's the main piece. You can grow from terabytes to petabytes, and we have created a solution based on the archiving and block and the high performance, and we have the size of the drives. You could go for small OSD and medium OSD and large OSD. and the Monster OSD. And we have, say, if you look at this, we are going for 1.7 petabytes to 8.6 petabytes of the 72 the bay. And you look at that large, we have 864 terabytes to 4.3 petabytes. And we have a different kind of network for that. We can go for 210 gigs. We can go for 225 gigs based on the requirements. So do you have any questions on that? Like we are mostly working with the SUSE, and we have solutions from from OpenStack to the SUSE enterprise storage. So I've been working with the two platforms with this SUSE side. Do you guys have any questions?